Our next project are these little Hinoki cypress. These are, I think, 3-year-old from cutting. So you can either buy them as individual trees or can buy it as a kit form. And the kit will come with a tree and a suitable pot and suitable wires. So you follow what I do. I always take it out of the pot, scrape away the soil from around the trunk to reveal the trunk. Sometimes these trees are so interesting that just by pruning away the excess branches, you will get some layers between the different branches, and you can get a tree looking very respectable without having to put any wire on at all. And I will just show you exactly what I mean. Look at that. I've literally put no wires on that tree. I've just removed the excess, but create space between the branches. That is so tree-like. And all you have to do is put it in one of these plastic pots. We offer a range of pots. You can either buy these pots or the oval pot. We will give people the choice. Don't cut the root, just take away the excess soil. We will give you a piece of wire to tie the tree in, because tying the tree in is just a precaution. You don't have to, because a lot of the indoor trees that come produced commercially, they are not tied in because the roots have established and have filled the pot. But if you wish to tie it in, that just is an extra precaution, and it prevents it being knocked over by animals or pecked out by birds. Amazing how destructive birds can be. At this time of the year, you get a lot of birds prodding around the roots to get moss and to get little grubs and insects. Now, I just noticed that that could do with a little bit of wiring, but as you saw what I did, I didn't use a single piece of wire. I will supply some wires in case anyone wants to wire them. But this was a case in point where we didn't wire anything. So use the same soil that came out of that big pot. And I'm just going to put a few bits of thin wire. This is, I think, 1 mil wire. So you can enhance the look by putting wire. So the wire is just making the separation more obvious. Oh, that broke. You can prop it up at any angle you wish. I'm going to take this up the trunk to see if I can give it a little twist. Of course, should you wish to do nothing, you can just grow the plants on to become bigger in size, and then when it's bigger you can then work on it. So there's so many choices. I'm just going to wire 2 more branches. So remember, the wires are just separating the branches so that there is space between the different levels. That very low branch, if you didn't want it, you could cut it off. So that's what comes out of this. And when they become bigger, they look really nice. There you are, there's quite a respectable tree. So that's a nice cheap little subject that you can create with the Hinoki. We have bigger sizes than that.